Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero. We're down in another crawl space that we just wrapped up in Dagsboro, Delaware. Got a pump spy over here, battery backup on our sub pump, making sure that the water system or the dewatering system takes care of everything 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, year after year. Let me flip this camera around and show you what else we've done in this crawl space. So here we are in this crawl space, like I said, in Dagsboro, Delaware. So we have our HydroSeal vapor barrier completely installed on the walls, on the ground, on the columns. Got our lights installed. We like the place to look beautiful, right? If any service technicians, AC guys, plumbing guys, electrical, they come down here to do any work, they can easily see what they're doing, make their lives easier. Give them a nice, clean, healthy space to work in as well. So if you're an HVAC guy or plumber or anybody else that's working, cable guys, down here in one of our crawl spaces, or you want to work in one of our crawl spaces, please make sure to refer HydroHero to your customers. So everything is completely sealed. We're locking out all the moisture that comes from the ground and through the block. We got a 3-inch termite inspection gap up there for all of our pest control guys. You can see everything's graded properly. We have our contained drain system that goes all the way around next to the footer, leading back up to the sub pump with our battery backup, of course. So over here, let's see what we got. So we should go over here so you can see how beautiful the install was done. So Caitlin, your team did awesome. Thank you so much for the quality work. This looks absolutely beautiful. Company is proud to have you. This, if you don't know already, is our April Air 1850 dehumidifier, the absolute workhorse. This keeps the relative humidity down around 45%. We keep it well below the 60% threshold that most mold grows. And we keep it down below 50 because that is where dust mites love to thrive as well. So they are a asthma trigger, and we like to make sure that we're taking care of limiting that as much as possible as well. So here we go. We'll slide around back to this area. We got our clear view condensate pump, self-cleaning, no float switch on that. You can see that we have dual exhaust. We've wide right out of the back of there, split that hot and dry air. We're dumping it on both sides of the crawl space here to balance everything out. This makes for a superb drying system. You can see that go out there. Sometimes I'm looking at my camera, not my hand. Get those things a little off. Anyways, look at that job. Beautiful install. Absolutely flawless. Go over here. And what do we got? Just an absolutely beautiful quality crawl space encapsulation done by the folks at HydroHero. If you are looking to have your crawl space encapsulated, done right the first time, by the guys who are setting the new standard in the crawl space encapsulation industry, give HydroHero a call. 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. If you're watching this on Facebook, please hit the subscribe button. I go through a lot to get these videos out for everybody for educational purposes. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like our page. And please share and drop us some comments. We love answering your questions. Thanks so much. Everybody have a wonderful day.